Well, hello. So today I'll post a video for a leveling valve. It's a VS228 air ride height control leveling valve for semi-tractor trailers. It's really a replacement valve, but I need it to be able to dump. The trailer ones, I was having trouble finding one. I didn't want to go to a dealer, so anyway, I got this one off of Amazon. And so you got in, out, or pressure and relief. This one's plugged. I could have used this to go to one of the airbags and then use this other one to go to another airbag, but I decided I'm going to take and just use the one. Just teed it off. This one here is a dump. It has to have pressure to make it so that this leveling valve doesn't work. I mean, it goes up and down, but all the controls right now with no air pressure in here makes this switch work. The leveling valve part work. When you get air pressure in here, it just dumps everything. No matter what position this is in. Doesn't matter. Here, I'll send it up. So, axle's raised. Okay, I got it so that I have to put power to put it down, because I don't want, if I'm working out in the field, I'm not going to put this axle down. I'll leave it up. Yeah, the only thing is you know, having having it set up this way for this to work, being it's just a lift axle, I have to raise this up, this part here up a little bit, so it puts pressure into the axle bags. Okay, and I got it set for about 40 pounds. I'm probably gonna raise it up a little bit. You have to buy the rod, leveling rod for that lever, separate. It's all good. So these are just maintenance switches over there. I got a hydraulic block I got to install. I've got wiring to run for tail lights. I've got a fuse box to put up front. Got quite a ways to go. The electrical part, which is alright, I guess. Here. Let's see, I can get the tire lifted up. If I had somebody else here, it would be nicer, but here's a switch for the airbags. One more time. I'm getting low on air, so it's taking a little bit while for it to get in there, but yeah. Got the compressor on. It goes to 200. Comes on around 200, 190, 200. Shuts off at about 170, 170, 180 for that tank. Yeah, she's getting low on air. Yeah, I'll get a full video on it, going up and down, try to get all the parts in it and everything, probably next week. But yeah, leveling valve worked out great. I'm hoping it's in a spot where it doesn't get hit with in the field by anything. So, all right, God bless. Please like and subscribe. That would help me out. Other than that, enjoy Thanksgiving. Thank you.